Good morning everyone. By the time I'm making this video, it is good morning here. So I will say good morning and welcome to this tutorial. This is a tutorial I officially want to hold for people that are new to Beizer to PixelLab, or maybe you are not well educated about Beizer 2. So take this opportunity and explore. So let's get started. I will be guiding you through my own knowledge on Beizer to PixelLab. I hope you learn from me like the way I do it. So let's get there. The first thing you have to do when you open your PixelLab, you must see this first screen, and that is it. You go to text tool and click on delete. Then you delete that new text that is on your screen. Then the next thing you need to do is to go here, click from gallery, then select the image, maybe the sketch you have already drawn that you want to use to make your own design. So this is the sketch I make. You click selected. I will share this one to our group chat in case you want to use it. Okay, after that, then you go here, make sure you lock it, then you go back. After you are done locking it, make sure you uncheck this tool here so that it can give you the ability to work on your screen again. So now we have locked it. What it does is for us is that there is no way you can move this image you already have here on your workspace. It's like it has been pinned to the background. Then you go and turn down the opacity, reduce it so you can see clearly what you're working on, and select OK. Next thing we have to do is to go to the Beizer tool here. See it here, click on it and select this one at the middle here. The reason why we selected it is because we want to start making an adjustment. Then the next thing I always do is I always select this to lock the Beizer, whatever you want to call it, our Beizer. So I select it. Now it has been locked. Then you can adjust it. Now that you lock it, you can easily give it color. But when you have not locked it, you can only add stroke, and that is expand the stroke, but you cannot add color to the center or to the object you are creating. So now we start creating. Okay. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but I will try to guide you as much as I can. For this image you have imported here, it is quite small, we cannot see it clearly. So the next thing you have to do is to expand it so you can see what exactly you are working on. After expanding it, make sure you uncheck this zooming tool here. Make sure you uncheck it. Then you can start readjusting your design. Click here to add more tool to your Beizer, like this. I don't know what to call it, but just add something like this or something of that nature, like this. Okay, then you use your zoom to go back, and here from here you can start editing. Just follow up what I'm doing. If you have any question, please drop it on our on my private chat box, so I will try as much as possible to address it there. So from here we move. And now we got here. So next thing we need to do is just to go here, make sure your opacity is turned on. Then here you can go choose your color. That's why I said if you have lock it from here, you can easily add your color. So here you can choose your color and do whatever you want to do with it. And this is where you increase and decrease your stroke. But for me, I always like to keep it between that 4 and 6. So let me keep this one as 6, and then let me choose something like dark red and click OK. At the end of the day, we got what we are trying to design. So you uncheck your expansion tool or your magnification tool there. So at the end of the day, we have achieved our design. You can select it and go ahead and add more other designs to it, like emboss, and reduce the intensity to about 6 or something like 11 or 12, so, and then just adjust and make some adjustments. At the end of the day, you got something very interesting. Okay. Okay. I think we have achieved something today. I won't like to be wasting much time talking about this. It is something that the more you practice, the more you know. Hopefully by tomorrow we'll be seeing more other things I will have to learn from this Beizer tool. Thank you for being part of the community, and thank you for following us up in this tutorial. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. These tutorial videos I'm holding now, I will try as much as possible to post the edited and more simplified one on our YouTube channel. That is after this tutorial. Please do well to subscribe, like and comment, and thank you for your time. Thank you for being part of this community once.